The first thing we want to be able to do before we get in and start to work within Microsoft Excel is we got to open up the application. Now, I'm going to make this a quick little introduction just to opening Microsoft Excel. This is maybe something you've done multiple times. If not, here's a couple of ways you can open up the application itself. So right away, I've got a shortcut sitting on my desktop. I can just give that a double click. Now, you might look at your desktop and say, well, I don't know where Excel's at. Do I currently have it loaded on my system? Well, if we need to find Excel, we can go down into our Start menu. And here I'm working inside of Windows 10. So all I need to do is either search this vertical scroll here and go look for Excel. There it is. I can launch it here. Or if I just start typing on my keyboard, it'll search my computer and I can find Excel right there. So there are multiple approaches to launching the application, just like you would launch any other application. Word, PowerPoint, Acrobat, whatever. Now, you just double click the icon, opens up the application, or go search for it inside of your Start menu. So let's go ahead and do that first. Let's get Excel up and running on our computer. Now, because I have the shortcut on my desktop, I'll give that a double click, and this will launch my current version of Microsoft Excel. So let's get that up and running. I want to encourage you to follow along with me as we go through these lectures. I found that the best way to learn something new is to right away get your hands in there and start to work with it. And the quicker that you can apply the concepts that we cover, the better it's going to be for you. So let's get Excel open, and then we'll jump into the next videos and get familiar with the interface itself.